Gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week in the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are inside the negative MACD. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge. We're slightly off of oversold condition with the RSI. And as with the daily chart, we're dipping into negative MACD territory. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size far is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $170.57. My sell target is at $181.39. My stop loss is at $166.39. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $183.53, and that is its range here. My sell target is at $174.91. My stop loss is at $188.03. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or wicked trading, gold features as a 42% chance to climb between 0 to 4%, a 25% chance to climb between 4 to 7%. To the downside has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to -4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.